sheets coding our telecommunication decoder now, support level 2. Let's take a look. We got our decoder. So you would have received a signal from one of your teammates and you would have been entering it here in the green, and you would decide, are you going left to right or right to left? That would be part of your protocol. In any case, we do have one entered in now, and then just from our encoding app, we already have our decimal equivalent. And again, this is bit 0 is the ones column, and we have one of those, so it's a 1. The 2's column, we have one of those, it's a 2. The 4's, there was no 4. 8's, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, so now, similar to last time, but in reverse, so we now have the digital signal. We now need to first, because of the way Sheets works, needs to get our decimal signal. And that really is just going to be the sum of all of these put together. So I'm going to code it. So I'm going to start with an equal sign, and there is a built-in function. We could literally add all those cells together, or we could write SUM, sum, parentheses, and then I'm going to drag all of those cells. So it's going to sum from H9 to O9 in the parentheses, return. And look at that, it adds up to 83. Let's check it. 64 plus 16 is 82 plus 1, 83. And just like last time, let's convert this to its binary number. So it's equal decimal DEC, the number 2, BIN for binary, decimal to binary. F9 again, in parentheses. Oh, I'm going to go back, comma, 8. So it always shows all 8 bits, even if they're a 0. That looks pretty good. And now instead of encoding the letter, we got to decode the letter. So we want to turn this number using the ASCII table, or more recently renamed Unicode 8 table, into its character. What character is it? So again, I'm going to code. I'm going to start with an equal sign, and to go from the decimal number to the character is they shorten character to CHAR, char. So that's short for character of 83 F9 in parentheses, return, and it's that capital S, our output. This message that was sent from our teammates was capital S. I'm going to go down and put it in byte 1, capital S, return. K and Y were already done for us, and then you can see over here we used the join function to put the 3 separate letters or 3 bytes of information together. And there we have it.